guys, welcome back to the channel. So this week we're just going to do a little maintenance video on the 2002 Camaro. I'm going to change the fuel filter. I've never changed the fuel filter on this car. I'm not sure the last time it has been changed. Now, I'm not doing this because I have any issues with the car, because I haven't had any issues, but I'm just doing it for basic maintenance. It's not something that has to be done that often, I don't think, but like I say, I don't know the last time it's been done to this car, so I thought I'd do it today. Now, for our regular subscribers, I know this probably isn't a video you want to see, and it's not really one I want to have to make, but we're still waiting for the weather to clear up here. We still got quite a bit of snow. I'm thinking probably at least 2, maybe 3 weeks before we'll be able to get the cars out and do some videos that you guys would prefer to see. But anyways, like I said, today we'll change the fuel filter on the car. So anyway, to start with, you're gonna need a set of needle nose pliers, 16mm wrench and a 20mm wrench, and a new fuel filter. This is the AC Delco one. The part numbers, I don't know which part number it uses, GF578, or if it uses the 25121293. But anyway, that's the part number for the AC Delco fuel filter. So to start, you want to come under the hood here. Now, I don't have the battery in this car, but if I did, one thing you should do is disconnect the battery, or I also see people go over here to the fuse panel and just remove the fuse for the fuel pump. So you do that, and then you come over here to the fuel rail, and there's a little cap on your Schrader valve. You just screw that off, and then there's, like, it looks similar to a valve on a tire. Anyway, you want to put some rags or something to catch fuel. I prefer using like a bottle instead of rags, but anyway, then you push on that Schrader valve and it'll release pressure. Now, I'm not going to do that because this car's been sitting for 5 months, so there wouldn't be no fuel pressure there. But anyway, that's one of the things you want to do first. And then another thing you can do to release some of the pressure, just go to your gas cap, just screw it off. That'll release any pressure that might be in there. Okay, so now we'll go under the car. Okay guys, so we're under the car. So you'll need the 20mm for the filter side here. And as usual, I ain't really got a lot of room here to work. Anyway, this shouldn't be too tight. I say it shouldn't be, but a lot tighter than I expected. Jeez. A little tighter than I expected, I'll tell you that. Okay, you're gonna get some fuel. Just have a container here to catch it. Now, to keep this Now to get this line off here, just squeeze the little plastic tabs. right out. Being a bit of a bugger. Okay, just tighten her up. Fairly simple job, but it would help if I had a little more. Had it up off the ground a little more. Same story that you always get from me. Tire's too low. That should be tight enough. Anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. Pretty simple job. Also, you probably should wear eye protection too. You don't want to get gas in your eye. And after you do this, you also want to go in and start the car. First thing you do, just turn the key ahead. Just do that 2 or 3 times to prime the fuel pump, because you want to get that air out of there, and then start it up. It may run rough for a few seconds just because you got some air in the system. Then after you get it started, you want to go back out and get underneath the car, make sure there's no leaks. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and hopefully within the next 2 to 3 weeks, we'll be able to get cars out on the road and make some real videos. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.